Hello! In this video, we'll guide you through the steps for unboxing and installing BenQ's latest digital signage models, the SH04, SL04, and ST04. To ensure your safety and protect your display, it's important to follow these steps carefully. Before we get started, let's take a look at the tools you'll need. When handling the box, please note which side is the front, as the display screen is located here. Keep this in mind when handling and transporting the box. Before unboxing, you can enroll your display in the BenQ Device Management solution. Simply scan the serial number located on the side of the box and assign a name to your display. To start unboxing, carefully cut the tape at the top of the box and open it. Remove the accessories placed on top of the panel protector. The accessories include a remote control, region-specific power cabling, one HDMI cable, one RS232 cable, a USB security cover, and user documentation. Before discarding the box, ensure all accessories are accounted for. Remove the top panel protector to reveal the display. With at least 2 people, carefully lift the display directly by its frame, not just by holding the protective cover, and gently place it onto a soft, padded surface to prevent damage. If the protective cover is still on the display, remove it carefully while safeguarding the display. First, cut the box straps. Next, unfasten the clips on the front and back of the box by pinching them and pulling them out. Once all the clips are removed, use the side flaps to gently lift the box. Inside the box, you'll find a remote control, your region-specific power cabling, one HDMI cable, one RS232 cable, a USB security cover, and user documentation. Be sure to account for all accessories before discarding the box. Next, remove the 3 panel protectors on top of the display. Remove the cardboard protector in front of the screen. Then remove the protective cover carefully while safeguarding the display. Our digital signage displays are equipped with 4 mounting points that follow the VESA specification that allow for portrait and landscape mounting. First, remove the screws. Then, align your compatible mounting bracket with the screw holes. Finally, securely reattach the screws to hold the bracket in place. If you're using a trolley, securely lock the wheels in place first. Then, carefully mount the display and ensure that it is securely placed on your mounting device. Lastly, remove the protective film around the edge of the display. You are now almost ready to power on the display. Just plug in the power cord to the back of the display and an outlet. Then, turn on the power switch. The LED in the front should turn on, and with a press of the power button on the back of the display or on the remote control, the display will turn on. Once the display is powered on, you can begin the setup process. On the first screen, select your language, then press Start. Note that your selection will not be highlighted on this screen. To select your language, press up twice and OK, or press down twice and OK to proceed to the next screen. On the next page, press Setup Offline, then Continue. On the Date and Time page, set the date and time, and then press Next. Review the permissions and then press Accept. On the Set a PIN page, press Skip, then Skip Anyway. Read and accept the End User License Agreement (EULA), and then press Next. On the Privacy Policy page, read and agree to the terms, and then press Next. On the BenQ Services page, toggle on Enable BenQ Services and then press Next. We recommend to enable BenQ services now, as you will have to do a factory reset of your digital signage if you want to enable them later on. Your display will now restart and be ready to use. That's it for the unboxing of your BenQ digital signage display. If you want to learn more about the SH04, SL04, and ST04, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.